We have already learned many things in Fusion 360 before this video. We have learned by making projects and use tools in that. Now in this video, we will make another project in which I will use a tool known as Revolve tool, which is new for you. So let's start by inserting a canvas. Here I choose insert from my computer. I will choose bottle canvas. I have already saved in my computer. So you can search on Google, and maybe using AI you can download it. Okay, I have already downloaded, so I have just inserted it from my computer. So choose a plane. I will choose a front plane. The canvas is uploaded here. Choose front plane. I will move it something upper because I want the bottom center of the bottle lie on origin. So let's do. I think y-axis lie on origin. I will run from for x-axis. It's slightly differ from origin. So I will move it something in minus x. It will move something much. So I think it should be 0.5 mm. It's right. Okay, correct. I can make it bigger also. So I think I have to make it bigger. Let's say I think 5 mm should be good. Let's choose it from here, and then again get origin. The canvas we have choose here, edit canvas, and again set it on origin. I think it should be much upper. I will choose from here. I think 0, not 0, 60. 60 is more. I think 55 is good. Okay. I think this should be 65, 56. 56. Okay. Now it's lie on origin. And for x-axis also, we will move it. I think it should be 2.5 mm. I think I have done more. Let it 1 mm. I think this is correct. Okay, it looks good. Okay, press OK. Our canvas is fixed on our origin, so let origin disappear. I think I have to disappear only the axis, only the planes about the axis on origin. I have to use some axis, so I have not make it invisible. So now we'll make an sketch on front plane here. Now we will use a fit point spline. I firstly use line tool for base. I will make a sketch by moving on the bottle. So now choose fit point spline. I will fix it later. Now let it here. Drop it something. I will zoom it here, and then I think here and here, something here. I just copying from that canvas. So if you are doing, then good. Otherwise you will again have to see the video. I recommend please do with myself. I think it's done. Okay. It looks so much complex, but not that. I will choose again a line from here to, I think this is good, and now do it to bottom. I will join to this point. Yes, sorry, this make a plane. Okay, and that's what we need. Again we will move it to a point we will like. I think in this, and that's good. We will use fillet to cover it later. Okay, I think I can move this point something here. Okay, I think from here I will do some changes. I can do some changes. That's good looking. So remove our canvas. Our sketch is ready, and now as I told you, we will use a tool known as Revolve tool. Now choose our profile. I think this is our profile, and axis is this. It already formed a bottle, so press OK, and our bottle is ready. We will also make some changes in it. Firstly, remove origin. We will apply some fillet on this base. It's new for you, I think. Some fillet, I think only 5 mm, no, 5 is more, 2.5 may be good. Okay, and on the top plane we will use shell tool. Shell we have already used. It remove the parts inside a body. So shell, I think 2.5 may be good. What happened here? 5, 8, 8 may be large. One mm. Okay, 1 mm is good. Here you can see that it looks like a bottle. Now we can change appearance, and so it will looks more like a bottle. So press A on keyboard for appearance. We will choose a glass. So we will choose a glass, and smooth we will choose a clear glass, and now our bottle is ready. Firstly, make our sketch invisible. Close. Our bottle is ready. So thank you for waiting.